boy, this one's going to take a minute. Given the equation x squared plus 2xy equals y squared, determine the value of the second derivative at the point 2, -1. So this is implicit differentiation. So we're going to ddx both sides. We're going to ddx x squared plus 2xy equals the ddx of y squared. Remember, when you take the derivative of an x, no big deal. Take the derivative of your x. If you have to take the derivative of the y, you take the derivative but attach a dy dx or a y prime. I'm going to use y prime. This guy right here is product rule. 2x times y is product rule. So I'm going to let u equal 2x. I'm going to let v equal y. U prime is going to be 2. And v prime is going to be the derivative of y with respect to x, which is dy dx, or just y prime. So the product rule is u prime v, so 2 times y, so plus 2y, plus v prime u, which is going to be y prime 2x. And I know I'm writing that out of order, but I want to write it out so that the y prime is next, or second, I guess. Now, let's move you to the other side, like so. And so the left side is now 2x plus 2y equals 2y y prime, 2y y prime, minus 2x y prime. Factor out whatever you can on both sides. Factor out a 2 on the left, 2 times x plus y. Factor out a 2 and a y prime on the right. And that gets us y minus x. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by y minus x. And y prime is going to be x plus y over y minus x. That's the first derivative. Now on to the second derivative, which requires me to do quotient rule. U is x plus y. V is y minus x. U prime is the derivative of the top, so the derivative of x is 1. The derivative of y with respect to x is y prime. V prime is going to be the derivative of the bottom. The derivative with respect to x of y is y prime, minus x is 1. And then v squared is going to equal y minus x squared. Let's see if we have to deal with that when we have to deal with that. Probably not, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. Quotient rule is u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. So let's go up here. Oh boy, I'm so scared that I'm going to run out of space. Sloppy. All right. U prime v. So y double prime is going to equal u prime v. So u prime is 1 plus y prime. V is y minus x minus v prime, which is y prime minus 1, u, which is x plus y, over y minus x squared. Let's simplify that. Y double prime, let's do some foiling, is going to be 1 times y is y minus x plus y prime y minus xy prime. So not only, minus parentheses, gross, xy prime plus yy prime minus x minus y. And that's still all over y minus x squared. Let's distribute that negative. Y double prime is going to equal y minus x plus y prime minus xy prime minus xy prime. How nice. Minus y prime. How nice. Minus plus x plus y. So lots of stuff here disappears. All right, let's, oh, by the way, I forgot to write out over that. Again, I'm not changing u, not yet. Okay, so let's see what disappears. We've got the y's unfortunately combined, so u will become 2y up top. The x's disappear. The y primes disappear, and you become minus 2xy prime over y minus x squared. Now we know that y prime from over here is this. So you become 2y minus 2x times x plus y over y minus x all over y minus x squared. Now would be a good time to finally plug in that point right there. All right, so y double prime at that point is going to be 2 times negative 1 minus 2 times 2, parentheses, 2 plus negative 1 over negative 1 minus 2 all over negative 1 minus 2 squared. Oh boy, I'm scared. Negative 2 minus 4, 1 over negative 3, so negative 1/3. And that's going to be over negative 1 minus 2, all of which is squared, so negative 3 squared, so 9. So we've got negative 2 plus 4/3 over 9, which is negative 2/3 over 9, which means we multiply the top and the bottom by 1/3, so negative 2 over 27. Oh, thank you, Lord Jesus. Okay, whew. That was a nightmare. That was an absolute nightmare. And that took up a ton of space. But somehow we were able to do it, and thank you for bearing with me. That was gross.